Mayam Kurumjari, Akoi, British Chamber of Commerce Assam, Imakitiki, Mayam da business, mainly businessmen, Kambo, Mitegi, business to work Kambo, entrepreneurship to work Kambo, and Macha Dukan, wholesaler, Perikara, Kampa Kambusi. Atuki Tama, Akoi, Pauselama, Ba, announcement of Matoki and the country, Akoki Tarataki. I left side. Working President Mr. Sharma, I right side British Chamber of Commerce की President Ketimayum Umanando Sinho, I Samak General Secretary Okram Vikikanta Sinho. I British Chamber of Commerce Assam से चाही अहुम हासिल है, चाही अहुम शुरू हो रहे, और दुका next 3 years की certificates updates tawre adugi matungina akoi Assamda leiba mitei businessmen mitei entrepreneurs mitei dukandars mitei traders mitei thabak tawwa mainly agricultural line and atai karikara akoi gi masaki self earning to work, Kamusing, mainly license to work, Kamusing. Akoi hiding is a Mayam Akoi British Chamber of Commerce Assam Makada affiliation to view. Akoi affiliation, Akoi Makada affiliation to Rati. Number 1, Government of Assam and Government of India Makada, any traders, any businessmen, any kind of problems or any kind of facilities ki tamak aikoina as a middle, as a link akoina support orokani. Number 2, aikoigi makara is affiliation to botarati market se fasana run to nabi tamak systematic way da regulate to nabi tamak su aikoi government of Assam, government of India, atuga concerned authority ka su akoi negotiate to nabi tamak akoi help to kani support to kani atuga businessmen sing good and bad situations ta British Chamber of Commerce na 100% wari batal sanaraga discussion to naraga akoi gi makada kari to bojaba and akoi ga associate oiraga kari to bojaba adugisu wari akoi tanagani aduna mayam dai appeal to sari akoi British Chamber of Commerce ki maikai tagi akoi gi WhatsApp number da masa ki organization masa ki trading to business to washing ki trade license or any kind of license Harapyu online application to yani Google Pay number pirakani aduga fazana rules and regulation ki matungina akhoi gi British Chamber of Commerce Assam ki makhada affiliate to yagani haina mayamda appeal tawsari. Thank you.